Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. You can call me Guy. We're out here with this old house again, out here on the lot. We're going to try and get it cleared today because it's a beautiful day outside. I do apologize for the sound right now. We're right here off the highway, so you can hear the trucks going by. There's some machinery across the field over there, so you're going to hear humming in the background probably. And my dog, my sweet dog, is right here in the bed of the truck whining at me for not letting him out. But I can't let him run around while I'm trying to work. We're going to try and get this lot cleared today, at least the front portion. I want to try and get this cleared out as much as I can today. That will provide me a working area for when I try to start tearing the house down. Normally right here is where I would ask you to subscribe to the channel, and I'm not going to do that today. Today I want to ask you to go check out your local volunteer fire department. This little black pager right here you see on my hip in most of the videos, well, this is for the fire department. I keep this on me. An emergency comes out, they call, this goes off, I go to the call, and I do what I can to help. Not everybody has to fight fire. Here in eastern North Carolina, in the rural areas, we struggle with people. There's not a lot of people who want to do this job anymore, and everybody thinks that it's all about fighting fire, and it's not. You do what you can to help. If you like to help, go check out your volunteer department. They can find something for you. We need people that can drive trucks. We need people that can cook. We need people who are handy with the tools. We just need all kinds of people. So don't be afraid to go check out your local volunteer fire department. I struggle not knowing where to start. So if you are struggling and don't know where to start, leave me a comment, send me a message, something, and I'll help you. I will help point you in the right direction to go. But guys, go check out your local volunteer fire department, especially here in eastern North Carolina. We struggle with having people in attendance, I guess you would say. We struggle with the amount of people we have. Again, not everybody has to fight fire. We just need a helping hand. So go check out your local volunteer fire department. Do that for me today, all right? So like I said, sun's going down. It's a nice day out. It's 70 degrees in December, which is really odd. There's a warm front that just came in, and it's going out tonight. So we're going to try to get this front lot knocked out as quick as possible. Get ready for the hyperlapse, and I'll see you at the end. Welcome back to another day of cutting a lot. Short and sweet. The other day when I was cutting, I spent about an hour and a half out here, and I went right up till dark, so you couldn't really see. I was trying to film the whole goodbye part of the video, and it was way too dark, so I couldn't do it. So today, it's a couple days later, it went from 70 degrees to 30 degrees the next day. So now it's back up to 67. back in short sleeves, so I'm going to try and get as much of this lot cleared out as I can. I brought a coat with me today and some gloves, so hopefully these briars won't tear me up too bad. The other day I cut from the front of the road in. That was so you could see coming in, and hopefully keep some of the riffraff out of the house so you can see further in. The other reason there's a fall down right here in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see it, hopefully you can, but I'm working my way around that to create a zone to drop that in without hurting myself. It's middle of December right now, and I need to have the house somewhat on the ground, probably early January. And that's the plan. That is the plan. So we're gonna get as much work as we're gonna get as much work as we can do today. That's a tongue twister. We're gonna get as much work as I can do today to get this lot cleared out and hopefully get all the way up to the house. So stop wasting time. I'm gonna get to it. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in a little bit. Hey y'all, taking a little break from the Firefighter Gear Rack series. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll put a link up top. Click on that and it'll take you right on over, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so here's the stand. Anyway, we'll walk out here to the road. This is the goal. This is what I wanted to do. So looking from the road in, you can see the front of the house. This is what I wanted to show you last time in the other video, but you couldn't get over there because this was all woods. I gotta watch where I'm stepping because there's stumps all out here. But I wanted to get everything cut down so I get to the front of the house, show you guys the front of the house. And that was the main goal of the day. As you can see, I still got logs here that I got to chop up. Just kind of show you the operation of what was going on. Once they're chopped up, I'm stacking them over here for firewood. I'll either give it away or I'll burn it somehow. And then here's all the tree toppers. This is all the branches and stuff that obviously I can't cut up. I got to figure out what to do with that. There's more trees down here that need to be chopped up for firewood. This is my briar pile. This is where all the briars went. This thing right here, whew, it's over shoulder high. And as you can see, they tore me up good. Now I said I had a coat in the car, but it was toasty today. It got close to 70 degrees, so I didn't wear the coat. The gloves helped a lot. I don't know if you can tell, but I was yanking these things right out of the top of the trees. And for the big part, I got the fall down. I got the fall down on the ground. There's 2 or 3 dead trees right here, and they forked all kinds of every which way, and they broke. And now it's on the ground. It's still kind of hanging up. I'm sure you can see it up in there. Still, a portion of it's still hanging up, but most of it's cut. So, whew, it's a lot to say. It's like a one-man wrecking crew through here with a chainsaw. It's getting close to dark. I'm still probably going to cut some more, but I figured it'd get too dark to talk on the camera, so I wanted to go ahead and walk you around and show you everything, and then I'll continue on. But I wanted to get you a good look at the front of the house, because this is what I wanted to show you in the last video. So over there is the cement chimney on the corner, or a cinder block chimney that you saw last time. I think this front room right here is the kitchen. There's another room right here. And then over here you have the screened in porch. I didn't clean this area, so there's still some briars, but I can get over here a little easier. So in the screened in door, just in to the left, takes you into the main part of the house. There's a giant room in there. Most of the floors collapsed, as you can tell on the bottom. Most of this place is rotted out. The roof line, it's kind of hard to see. Roof line is right there. So there was an add-on this portion of the house. It's an additional room on this end, I think. I can still kind of see it back there. And then this lean-to carport deal. I'm not exactly sure what was going on here because it's way too short to park a truck. You might have could have fit a car, but it's at a weird angle from the driveway. Anyway, that's the front of the house that I wanted to show you guys. We started in the woods, now we're out in the open. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Maybe you learned something, I don't know. I had fun doing this. Anyway, like I said, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to check out your local volunteer fire department. Help your community. Help out however you can. Anyway, hope you had a good time. Enjoy the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good one.